Hey everyone, Tristan Freeman here for ADP1 Class 1311 Milestone 1 review. So far, everything has been going pretty well, and I'm right on track, if not a little bit ahead of schedule with things. I've got the startup screen in place with the actual logo artwork as opposed to the placeholder like I had planned. I've got the login and sign up screens in place. Initially planned excuse me, to have the ability just to navigate through the app. However, I started trying to figure out how to use Parse to do the login and sign up, and actually got those functioning a little ahead of schedule. Main table view I got set up and done with dummy data that actually populates a detail page with the data from the selected entry. And then I've got the pharmacy locator screen currently showing the user's current location. So if I go through and go ahead and run this, I'll demonstrate what it does here. And I'll actually go to parse.com to my data browser here for my medical. Let that reload real quick. So right now I'm in the users tab of Parse, and it's got 0. There's nothing here. So once the app fires up, I'll demonstrate how this works. Okay, so there's the splash screen and login. Okay, so username password field. If you hit login with nothing, login error, please check your username and password. Okay, well I haven't had any users here. I cleared everything out. So if I go sign up, pulls up the sign up page. Username will go T Freeman. We'll do password is test. Re-enter password. Just to demonstrate this, I'm going to do testing so that they don't match. And then I'll do me@me.com for the email. So you see the password fields do not match. Hit register. Password error. Passwords do not match. So if I go back, get rid of everything, make sure they match, register. You see down here in the console, I have console log registration succeeded. So same thing, back to the page, log in, check the info. So we'll go T Freeman and test. Log in. So there's a slight bug there. Oh, wrong password. Do it again. So there we go. And console login successful. So I've got the medication list right now, and of course before final turn in, the tab bar and nav bar will all be polished up, looking much better than the default. But I've got my 3 dummy data here. If I go to details, just pulls up all the information that's stored for those items, and it is based on the 3 that I had in my dummy array. So to real quick, logout button actually works as well. If I click logout, it goes back to the main page. Login, same issue. So log back in. Add medication screen. I had set this up initially as a group table view, so it would look much better, more crisp and clean. However, there were some serious issues trying to save the data with Parse, and which I still don't quite have down. I was playing with it a little bit, and it doesn't like using group table views, so I went with a regular form. Right now, save just goes back to the main list screen as well as cancel. And then the pharmacy locator just pulls up the map with since it's the simulator, it's the default location. But that's it for the app right now. I'm very pleased with how it's going. And then now that I registered as well, what I was going to show you, go to data browser and parse. Now there's one user. It's got the object ID, username, T-frame and password is hidden. Email is listed here, and then created and updated at dates. So it's gone pretty well so far. I'm very pleased. And I look forward to getting the rest of it knocked out this next week. So thank you for watching and have a great day.